Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from a bank account to Western Union in 2025. Whether you're supporting family overseas, handling international payments, or just need to send cash quickly, this guide will make it straightforward and secure. By 2025, technology has made transfers even faster with enhanced security features like biometric verification and AI-assisted processes. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have a bank account linked to a modern banking app or online platform. Most banks now integrate seamlessly with services like Western Union, so start by logging into your bank's app. If you're new to this, download the latest version for 2025 updates, which include voice commands and facial recognition for easier access. Step 1. Check your account balance to make sure you have enough funds. Nobody wants surprises, right? Once confirmed, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section in your app. Look for the option to send to external services. Western Union should be listed as a partner. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need their name, the amount, and possibly a tracking number or reference code. In 2025, you can use Western Union's updated app to scan a QR code for instant verification, cutting down errors and time. Step 3. Select your transfer method. Choose between standard or express options. Express might cost a bit more but gets the money there in minutes. Review any fees. Banks and Western Union often have transparent breakdowns now. Step 4. Authorize the transaction. Use your biometrics, like a fingerprint or facial scan, for added security. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes, then confirm. You'll get an immediate confirmation email or notification. A few quick tips. Always use secure networks to protect your data, keep an eye on exchange rates if it's international, and consider alternatives like direct bank transfers if fees are a concern. Remember, Western Union offers customer support 24/7 via chatbots in 2025. There you have it. Sending money has never been easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.